Alright guys, so today we are swapping out the door sills. So I bought these illuminated ones, and then I also bought a conversion kit for it. So it should be pretty smooth. It looks like it's just a couple of clips that we have to take out and then 2 wires that we have to cut into. But it should be pretty good and it should be a quick. I just need some pry tools. Like I said, we're gonna pry up on here. Out with that one, and then also pry up on here. See this, those are the wires we have to get into, so we're gonna have to take off this clip here. After taking off this panel and this clip here, we do have to take off this underneath part here. It should just be 4 tabs. We need this light here. So we need this wire in here, and then the wiring I mentioned over there as well. So the plug we need to take out is this one here. This one here. It's not focusing, but we're gonna pull this out and then I'll come right back. Okay. We got this out. We need to tap into that green wire. I need to somehow give myself some more slack here because super tight working. This one, get a little more play here. This one, it's the blue wire. bit. Just so I can see like how much play I have here with the wires. We're just gonna put this in now. Work. You can't tell because it's super bright outside, but I will come in later tonight and show you guys. Alright, so we do have a good amount of play. So let me hide all this wiring, and then we'll put everything back together. I was going to swap out this light here for an LED light, but my boyfriend did grab me these pedal lights, so I am going to install these instead. They have the F Sport logo. I will leave a link down below where I bought them. They are one piece, and this does swivel, so you guys can put it however you like to have it project. Personally, I did the other side and I like the straight down. This one I'm going to use to take it off. Probably not the best tool, but it works. I'm just going to go. Just plug this out. These lights are super easy. They just plug right in. Perfect. Not sure if you guys can see that. Let me try. There we go. bit more. Actually, we're gonna go in to the left side, so we're gonna pull from here. Once I get this out, we'll come right back. Okay guys, I'm having a really hard time trying to get this plug out. It's super tight, way tighter than it was on the passenger side, so I'm just gonna try and tap it the way it is. It's this purple wire here. Let me see if I can show you guys. This, well, violet purple wire here that we're gonna tap into. So I'm gonna do that and then we'll come right back. Also, I did buy this pack of connectors on Amazon. I'll link them down below. They have 3 different sizes. So. And then we have the blue wire here, which is going to connect with this blue wire here, just like on the other side. This wire is for my dash cam, so you guys won't have to deal with this one. So just don't pay attention to this one. So I snapped this in just like I did the other side, and we're gonna put everything back together and then we're good to go.